are unboxing some Fidget
rings
and some Popits. And we will do a demonstration on them as soon as she gets it open. Oh, say the name of them too. What are these?
These are Fidget rings.
From, are they from Fat Zone?
Fat Zone.
Fatty? I don't know. They're magnetic.
Tear them open.
Yeah. You're supposed to unbox it on the video, not.
This is all going in.
You wanted to do this? Ooh.
Okay.
Here's the directions.
Directions on this stuff. The phone with the 3 Fidget rings. They all have lines.
There you go. So, the directions.
Say.
Nope, you gotta leave it like this so they can see it. So you can.
Well, they usually turn it around.
Okay.
Nope.
So, now they're stress relief magnetic rings. So, how do they work? Gotta demonstrate how they work.
Put it on one. You put one on them.
Gotta put your hands over.
And then you put 2 more. The 2 more.
And you roll them around.
You just do this.
Oh, so you could just do what you want.
Not really that much things.
Can I try?
You have bigger fingers, so they might just stay. Well, you're supposed to like put one finger through.
One finger?
One finger through one.
Uh-huh.
And then take your thumb and just put these 2 on and just push it from here. One more.
What?
Push it from here. Not there, here.
Oh. So like do that?
Yeah, but you're supposed to put these fingers down so they could go all the way around.
Oh. It's a bit hard.
Or you could do other things with them.
I guess you could just do what you want with them, right?
Yeah.
They're pretty light. Hold on, Ella. Oh, hold on. So these are pretty light. And they've got like a little strip around them. I think that's the magnet. And then they've got like this little ring inside, which
is it on a bearing?
It helps it like move around.
Rotate.
And they're really
They have
smooth.
other colors besides this one, but we like the multicolored packs, right?
Yeah, there's red and
I think there's pink, blue, green, and yellow.
Yeah.
But you can just
and there's also
roll them around how you want to.
or you could buy a bunch.
Yeah.
And you take one and then you put them around and then you spin it.
Oh.
That's cool.
Yeah. I don't know if this would relax me.
So what do you think, Ella? Is it cool?
Yeah.
You like them?
Yeah.
I mean,
Very cool.
anything else you could just.
Yeah.
And then we got some more stuff, right?
Yeah.
What else we got?
So we got these mini Popits. There's a purple one, a blue one, and a yellow one. And you just like pop them down and do this. That one's Mama's, but I just played with it. I really like them.
Yeah? Why do you like them so much?
I don't know, they just sound good and I really like how they just pop down.
They feel good?
Yes.
Okay, you want to hear the popping? Okay. Hold on.
All right.
All right, show it.
And here's on the dark part. And it still pops, so you can play with it at night.
Just do a couple.
Like
and then
here.
Turn it over so you can hear the loud.
Here. Stuff is fun. And here. Here
Cool,
too.
it really glows pretty
Yeah,
good.
it does. Looks great.
And the sound.